In a previous video, I made some sourdough naan bread. Today, I'm making some vegan sourdough naan bread. So I've already made my dough here. It's a bit yellow because I added some turmeric to it. There's turmeric, salt, sourdough starter, flour, and the substitute for my usual Greek yogurt, since it's a vegan one, is this one. Greek plain yogurt, fermented soya product with added calcium and vitamins. So it's really soya base and soya beans. That's the one I'm using. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and I've already made some. So I've mixed this, let it sit for a few hours. You just mix it and go about your day and then come back to it. So I've floured this. And start rolling it out. You've got better ways of rolling it, or even some of those dough presses where you can make a circle, then go ahead and use that. Okay, I'm going to preheat my pan. It was warm because I've made a few, which I'll show you. Okay, now I'm going to transfer it to the pan. Right, in here there was a bit of oil. I'm going to add some more oil. Just regular vegetable oil will do. Just prevents it from sticking. Some pans won't stick, but I just use this as a preventative measure just in case it does stick. So I'm just going to lift up my dough and place it on there. While that one is cooking, you can get rolling, roll out the other dough. These ones are 80 grams each. I'm going to leave that so you can watch in real time how long it takes to make. I've just made another dough ball, which I'm going to start rolling out, so that when that one is ready, the next one is ready to go on the pan without wasting too much time. It's firm now. I'm just going to flip it over. You can see it's already starting to bubble up. Okay, I'm going to flip it again. Look at how beautiful it puffs up. It looks absolutely amazing. I forgot to mention that I added salt in there as well. I did add salt. You can actually make pita pockets. You know those pockets where you put sandwiches in? At this stage, when you see when it puffs up, you can actually make a slit in it and then make it a pocket where you add your filling. Okay, so like this here, I'll make this one a pocket. I'll just slash it there. Let me see. It's hot, so I'm going to move it out of the way. But yeah, that's how it is easy to make sourdough vegan naan bread. So I've made the pocket wider there, you see? So you just fill it in with your filling while it cools down, and that's how to make a sourdough vegan pita pocket.